Hello traders, you are welcome to this video and I especially welcome you back to the Forex Geek channel. Now, if you are a Bitcoin trader, just listen up because we are going to be looking at the Bitcoin Bullish Percent Index in this video. Okay, we are going to be specifically talking about the Bitcoin Bullish Percent Index. Okay, if you are looking for a powerful market sentiment tool, then you are in the right place. Okay, this indicator does not just follow price, it measures the percentage of Bitcoin related assets currently in a bullish phase. Okay, giving you a broader market perspective. So in this video, we're going to be looking at how the bullish percent index works, how to read it, and most importantly, how to use it in your strategy to anticipate market shifts. Now, let's just get started quickly. The bullish percent index was originally developed for stock markets. All right, that is the BPI, the bullish percent index itself. The original design of this indicator was for stock markets, but it has become an essential indicator for crypto traders as well. As you can see that on the TradingView platform, there is a Bitcoin bullish percent index. Now, in as much as I couldn't find a bullish percent index solely for any assets on TradingView, I found the Bitcoin bullish percent index, the one for Bitcoin, right? So that's the reason why we're going to be talking about that one in this video. Okay, but you need to understand that the BPI was developed for the stock markets and it calculates the percentage of, related assets or related sectors that are currently generating a buy signal on points and figure charts. Okay, so basically when the BPI is high, the BPI stands for the bullish percent index, right? So when the BPI is high, it indicates that most assets are bullish, meaning that the market may be overextended. All right. That when the BPI is low, it suggests market weakness, right? Meaning that the Bitcoin, that is for the Bitcoin bullish percent index, right? Meaning that Bitcoin and related assets could be oversold. Now, unlike traditional momentum indicators, the BPI does not track price directly. Instead, it gives traders a market-wide view of sentiment, okay, making it a valuable tool for spotting potential turning points. Now, how does the BPI work? The bullish percent index is measured on a scale of 0 to 100, as you can see here, right? Where above, you can see that above 70, the above 70 level means that the market is in overbought territory and a reversal or correction could be near. And you can see what happened here when Bitcoin hit the 88.4 thousand level. You can see that the index was above 70 and we had a notable retracement to this point. And then when it got to this resistance again, we can see that there was another breach of the 70 level, and guess what? We had a decline again to this point, right? And you can see what happened here. Something similar happened after it got above 70. We had a decline, and guess what? Here again, same thing happened. Okay, if you look, you're gonna see that on different occasions similar scenarios took place. Now, between 30 and 70, between 30 and 70%, a neutral zone, it's a neutral zone, where trend develops, right? And then below the 30%, the market is oversold and a potential recovery could be forming. You can see what happened here, right? You can see what happened here when the index was below 30. You can see that there was an upward move, right? You can see what happened here again, right? You can see what happened here again. So on different occasions, you can see had upward moves. Okay. Now, the BPI uses point and figure charts which filter out minor price movements and focus on significant trend shifts. This helps traders ignore market noise and focus on the bigger picture. Okay, now how do you use the Bitcoin BPI in trading? Here are 3 ways to incorporate the Bitcoin Bullish Percent Index into your trading strategy. One is identifying market extremes, right? When the BPI is above 70%, it's a warning sign that Bitcoin and related assets may be overbought. Then when the BPI is below 30%, it signals a possible buying opportunity as the market is oversold, right? And then secondly, you can use this index to confirm trends. A rising BPI confirms that bullish momentum is increasing, supporting long positions, all right? And then a falling BPI confirms that there is declining bullish sentiment, warning traders to be cautious. Okay, so you can also use the BPI with other indicators, right? You can actually decide to pair the BPI with RSI, for example, just to help confirm overbought and oversold signals, right, with respect to momentum. And then you can combine the BPI with moving averages, to help you track, trend following. I mean, you can to help you implement trend following strategies and all of that to, track the the direction of the trend, the overall trend at a time, right? You can actually combine the BPI with volume analysis, to help validate whether a market move is strong or weak. You can use any other indicator of your choice for additional confirmation. Okay, that is very important. Now, by applying these techniques, traders can use the Bitcoin Bullish Percent Index to refine their decision making and avoid emotional trading. All right. Now, suppose Bitcoin is in an uptrend and the BPI crosses above 70%. This suggests that the market is reaching an overbought level. So instead of jumping into a trade immediately, you wait for confirmation from a bearish candlestick pattern or a decrease in buying volume before making a decision. Alternatively, if the BPI drops below 30%, like what has happened right now, it could indicate an oversold market. So instead of rushing in, you could look for a bullish divergence on the RSI or a breakout above key resistance levels, before entering a trade. So the Bitcoin Bullish Percent Index is an invaluable tool for traders looking to understand overall market sentiment. By identifying overbought and oversold conditions, confirming trends, and using it alongside other indicators, traders can make more informed decisions instead of relying solely on price action. So if you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more technical analysis content. Turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Have you used the Bitcoin Bullish Percent Index before? Drop a comment below and let us discuss. Happy trading, and I'll see you in the next video.